Hi everyone, it's Noddles and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing MXM's 2019 Season's Greetings calendar, the Merry version. So I bought this from kpoptown.com and I actually pre-ordered it way before, but I bought it with my Golden Child Season's Greetings and my 101 Season's Greetings, and since the 101s didn't release until the 28th, all of them weren't shipped until 101s was released, and I finally got them, so I'm finally getting around to unboxing it. But yeah, let's just get started. So I couldn't really choose between the Merry and the Wish version, the green version. The only difference between the two is the photo cards that you can get. Everything else is the same, but there are random photo cards, and in this version it's like Christmas themed, and in the other version they're like pictures from concerts. But I decided to go with this one, and maybe eventually I'll get the other version just to have it. So let's take out everything. So here's a desk calendar, a DVD, a little tote bag. Oh gosh. Okay, let's go through everything first before I accidentally like show random stuff. So here is the little bag. Not sure what you're supposed to put in this. Guess whatever you want to. And then it says Youngmin and Donghyun right there. And then it does this. Next we have their CD or DVD, which I hope they come with subs so that I can watch them. And then the little desk calendar. Brand New Boys 2019 calendar, winter, spring, summer, or fall. And then it's like a foily red. If you get the Merry version, everything will just be green, and then the photo cards will be different. (2019) yearly overview. January. Oh, that's different. They don't have pictures on like the actual calendar portion. Sorry if you can hear barking. My dog is outside barking and my window's open. I really love MXM. They're a really great duo. I think they work really well together. And I am actually going to see them live at their USA Meet and Live tour. I'm going to the San Jose one on the 26th, the very last show. And I'm so excited because we get a free signed CD. And it's like a fan signing like they do in Korea. So that'll be fun. And then there's also something called pick a post snapshot thing, where you buy a ticket and you can take a picture with whichever member you want to, or multiple members, or both of them if you want to, or take multiple pictures with the same person, depending on how many tickets you buy. And you get a Polaroid and you pose with them. And so I'm planning on getting at least one with each of them. and they're kind of expensive. They're 20 bucks each, so that's 40 bucks right there just for a picture with them, but whatever, it's worth it. This is like a once in a lifetime thing for me, so I'm super excited about that. I'm also kind of nervous, which is weird because like I'm not the kind of person to get starstruck, but I don't know, who knows, I'll probably get really nervous when the time comes. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm super excited for that. I'm probably gonna do a recap video about that and maybe share some tips with people so that people can know what to do, or just giving tips. Oh, I really like these Christmas pictures. Because the site that is in charge of selling the tickets and in charge of the entire like tour is kind of different. And so like I'm going into it blind because there's not much information about it. Oh, that's January 2020. And so hopefully once this is over and I get a better understanding of it, I can share it with other people in case the same company that does more tours has more groups, so that people know, like beginners, because I sure wish someone would share. Anyways, next are the postcards, and there are 14 in here. I think they're all the same in both versions. Okay. Huh. Never seen a clear slip like this for photocard or postcards. Ooh, I love concert photos too. Tongan is so cute. Like, look at his smile. He's actually my bias within MXM, but it's kind of hard to have a bias when there's only 2 of them. But yeah, he was I actually didn't really pay much attention to him until after Produce ended, and then I watched Produce all over again once I knew all the members and their faces. And yeah, he really stood out to me in I Know You Know, my favorite song from the concept evaluation. And when I think about it, it's sad because he was the only one from the Brand New Boys that didn't make it to the final round. So I felt really bad. But luckily, or unluckily, Youngmin didn't make it into the final lineup, or into like 101. So at least he wasn't left alone. Oh, these pictures are really nice. I love these kind of pictures where you can see like glow sticks. And these pictures are matte, if you can't tell. Ooh, this one's a good one too. He just looks so good. They both do. I'm so excited to see them live. I'm like hoping not many people go, because I don't really think they're that well known internationally, at least. Oh, and that's it. But hopefully that'll make the concert experience a little bit more like personal. And then here is the planner, which I'll go through here. Let's just find all the pictures. This is a thick planner, actually. I feel like it's more thick than all the other season greetings that I have. How cute. Is that supposed to be them? Who drew these? Like I was saying, I hope, like a part of me hopes that there's a lot of people so that they know that they have a lot of fans internationally, but a part of me is like, if there's less people, maybe we won't be rushed as much when we do like the fan signings and photos and stuff like that. And we'll probably, hopefully get like a more intimate, like, I guess like connection with them. But I don't know. I did get VIP, so that's why I get to meet them and get all those benefits and stuff. Which is actually kind of cheap, in my opinion. It was $200 for the VIP, which I think is a great deal considering all that you get. Because like years ago in 2013, Infinite came here and I paid $200 just for like the best seats that you can get, but ended up like being crappy for me because two tall guys ended up getting in front of me and stood the entire time, so I can barely see anything. It was like, I was so mad that that happened. Like I paid $200 just for two tall ass guys to be in front of me. So I kept scooting over to the side, and like these like older women were like next to me like drinking beer, and like I kept getting in their like space, but I was like, I can't see, so I'm so sorry, but I paid to see Infinite and not the back of the heads of strangers. So $200 for like a VIP experience is like great, and I was like willing to spend that because I love MXM, as I said before. All their comebacks have been really good, even though they've only had 3, but they're all flops. But my favorite is definitely their full-length album comeback. Like that entire album is like A+. So go listen to it if you haven't, and go buy it if you haven't. I'm just realizing now that it's a planner and not like the other like planners that we've gotten. It's lots of empty pages to write in and stuff. Anyways, next is a photo book. Oh, and there are photo cards under there, so I'm gonna close this before I see them. So here's a photo. Oh, there's photo cards in there. Never mind, I'll just throw those out really quick. This has a weird texture to it. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. It kind of feels like rubber-ish. Not really. Oh, that's weird. Anyways, this is a photo book. Oh man, they look so good. I don't know what to wear to the concert. I want to wear something to get their attention. My phone actually has like a rhyme thing on top of it. So hopefully that'll get their attention, and I can maybe get like a selfie from them during the concert. Because the way it works is, from my knowledge, from what is said by the company in charge of the tour, the order, because the place that I'm going to is arranged seating, but the way that they're letting people in is through like the order of the ticket that you bought in. Oh, mine has like a stain right there. Or was that from me? No, that was. But yeah, anyways. But the ticket numbers are like not consecutive. Like it's not 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 1, 5, 7, 10, like that. So no one really knows like the order. So hopefully I get like a close enough seat to the stage and that I can get their attention and get a selfie from them for free. And then also do the pick a pose snapshot. Like I said before, I love these like nature outdoorsy photo shoots. Very colorful. They're my favorite. Oh gosh, he looks so good. Yes. I wish I looked good in like minimal clothing like that, like very plain clothing. But I don't. I always find it weird when they do photo shoots in like bathtubs. Like, why bathtub of all things? I'm also curious what brand new music is gonna do once Woojin and Daehui come back from 101. I wonder if they'll keep MXM as like a side duo and then debut them 4 as like a group, or are they all gonna be in like a bigger group? Personally, I think they should keep them as a 4-member group and MXM as a side, because like I really like MXM as they are now. But only the future will know. Christmas shoots. Ah, I love Christmas. Oops. And then that's it. Last are the photo cards. So there are 2 photo cards that come in here, and there's 4 possible ones that you can get. So in a perfect world, I hopefully get one of each, or at least both group photo cards. So let's see, for the first one, it is Youngmin. How cute. And next is okay, at least I didn't get duplicates, and at least it's a group photo card. Okay, I'm happy with that. Wait, I didn't show the back. Wait, does it have Youngmin's signature again? Huh, they have this, the same thing. So I guess technically I got 2 Youngmins in, since this is his signature. But overall, at least I didn't get like just 2 of him. But yeah. So here's an overview of everything that came in the MXM 2019 Season's Greetings Merry version. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!